forest doing some jumps on mountain bikes. And I say it's really risky because it's got no engine and it's a little unstable over the jumps. Like the pros like James Bobby Stewart, Richard Carmichael, and that Australian geezer. Yeah, say this is pretty easy, but I say fuck that. I say amateur gotta get over that. And today, I'm gonna tell you how to do it, right? And what you need to do is hit the berm over there at a nice speed. And as you can see, the takeoff is soggy. So you want to keep the front wheel as light as you can while leaning back. Right? And as you get to the jump, you want to pull up on the handlebars to get the lift clear jump. Right? Allow me to demonstrate. As you can see, that was a pretty normal jump. And I got a little bit squirrely on the takeoff. That pissed me off in the air. I say, fuck that! You want to get the bars straight as you can to get perfectly landed on the landing ground. I'm fucked.